Hey everybody, Joel here with Ovation Insurance. One of the questions I get asked the most is my insurance company running my credit score and how is it affecting my rates? Well, there is actually an answer for that. So let's take a look and see what this all means.
So let's take a look. How will your insurance score change your insurance rates? The first question is credit scoring a factor? The short answer is obviously yes, usually. The longer answer is a little more complicated. First of all, insurance companies have been doing this for decades, and that's really not likely to change. And it is factored into what's called your insurance score. And it's a main part of that, but there's a lot of factors that go into that, and it kind of differs from company to company, but it is what I would consider the major factor into your insurance score. One thing to know about credit scoring and insurance companies is that they don't pull your score like a mortgage company or a credit card company does. It's not a hard hit against your account. It is a soft inquiry, and it does not affect your score. Secondly, they only check this when quoting, and occasionally they'll do it when your policy renews, but they don't constantly monitor your score. And not every company checks your score as well, and that's something to keep in mind if you have a score that needs a little bit of work. There are carriers out there that can write you a policy, both home and auto, without checking your credit score, so keep that in mind. So if your score improves, will your rates get better? Yes, but like I said earlier, they don't check it automatically. So if you know your score has improved, the first thing you're going to want to do is contact your agent, especially at renewal, and notify them that it's time to rerun your insurance score. And the savings can be significant. We've seen several $100s come off of policies simply because their insurance score has improved. So it's definitely worth doing if you know you've made those improvements. So the last question I usually get is, what is a good insurance score? And again, every company does that a little differently. Some have them letters, a series of letters, or some have a series of numbers, and some have a combination of the two. There's really not a good way to dictate what a good score is. So that's something you're going to want to talk with your agent about. And then once you know what your score is and how you can improve it, then you can start taking those steps to save additional money on your policy.
So there it is. Hopefully that answers some questions on credit scoring, insurance scoring, how it affects your rates. If you do want to get a better handle on your insurance score or your credit score, you can always start monitoring your credit. There's things online that can help you do that. You can always reach out to the credit bureau as well. So there's some things you can do to help improving this and save even more on your insurance. And if you want to get started on that, you can always reach out to your agent and have them help you through this and tell you things that you can do to better improve your insurance score based on the company that you're with. Anyway, that's all I've got for today. Again, I'm Joel Dunham from Ovation Insurance. Everybody, have a great week.